Hello student, I am making this video for class 8 and I am teaching right now the second lesson of moral science, that is compassionate companion. Before going through the lesson, let's see the meaning of some difficult word, and here are the meanings. First one, compassion, which means pity. Second one, compassionate means kind-hearted, dayalu. Third one, companion, which means fellow or sati in Hindi. Fourth one, empathy, which means good feeling in English, and sanvedna in Hindi. Sympathy, which means kind, pity, mercy, or in Hindi sahanubhuti. Implication means complexity, that is uljhan. Airlift, which means taking someone to somewhere else by airplane. हवाई जहाज के द्वारा ले जाना in Hindi. Sedative means a medicine for sleep, नींद की दवा. Occupant means person who lives either in a house, in a room, or in a country, nivasi. Next one, fluid means liquid material, तरल पदार्थ. Next one is battalion. Battalion means a troop of army. In Hindi, paltan. Regiment, again a troop of army. Sanidal. Next one is amidst, in between, which means in English, Hindi में के बीच में. Crave, in Hindi याचना करना और request. Civilian, the persons who are not soldiers. Asainik. Colleagues, a person who works with you. Sakarmi. Next one, accommodate, which means to make space or to give a space, जगह देना. Next one, mess up, which means to destroy, or in Hindi बिगाड़ देना. Next one is enliven. Enliven means to give life, to put life, जान डाल देना. Exquisite means attractive, lovely, और in Hindi शानदार. Next one, console, which means soothe. In Hindi दिलासा देना. And finally, perplexed means puzzled, which means व्याकुल in Hindi. So first you memorize all the meaning of difficult word. Thereafter I'll teach the lesson again on Sunday. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.